This is a hope spot, an area of the ocean painstakingly preserved by men and women whose lives depend on it. Today, there are more than 130 hope spots around the world. Thanks to Mission Blue, the organization founded by explorer and marine biologist Sylvia Earle, they are multiplying. From the Mediterranean to the Caribbean, from the Antarctic to the Pacific. We support this initiative because we know that our survival depends on the ocean. Safeguarding its fauna and flora ensures the future of our planet.